Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum CS Pro users. This tutorial is on error message and warning function. In this tutorial, we will see the difference between soft edit check and hard edit check. The warning function differs from error message in that it can be used for soft edit check error message. Let's understand this with an example. We will write our logic of the proc of field age. So click on age in the form tree. I have already a logic in the proc of field age. In this example, we are using select statement with error message function. If the spouse age is less than 16, you cannot move forward. But if the age is from 16 to 17, then you will get an error message with three options: fix relationship with the household head, fix age, and ignore error. Let's run the application and see the result. What will be happen if we are using select statement with the error message function? First, we will enter age less than 16. The error message pop up: spouse age cannot be less than 16 years. When you press OK, the cursor will remain on the same field. Now enter the age 16 or 17. The error message pop up: you have entered spouse age less than 18 years with three options. You will select the third option, ignore error. The cursor will be moved to the next field. Enter the value in the next field and press enter to continue. Now we are going to stop adding case. Now press the escape key to stop adding. We will get a small window with options. Select partially save and after that press OK to continue. Now your case is partially saved. Open your case again. Before getting on your last position, you will get the same error with three options. Again, you will select the option ignore error and the cursor will move forward. It is called hard edit check. The hard edit check does not allow the interviewer to move on until the inconsistency is fixed. Now let's see the soft edit check. Close your application and get the logic of the proc of field age. Replace word error message with the warning in else if statements only. Save and run your application. Open partially saved case. You will get a message. This is a partially saved case. Do you want to go to the last position? Press yes to continue. You will be on your last position without any error message on age field. It is called soft edit check with warning function. For more details, please see CS Pro help on error message function and warning function. Keep on learning and goodbye.